Alright, so I've been wanting to do a cutting video for like well over, I don't know, probably 2 months at this point. But it has just been insanely hot this summer, just ridiculous. So, finally, like high 80s, which is cool comparatively to the way the rest of the summer has been. It is today. So, I worded that like Yoda. Anyway though, I digress. We're gonna go outside and cut a bunch of rocks and just see what we wind up with. I have high hopes and also no hopes. And somewhat low. I've got me right here, a heap of rocks. Oh, that went better than I expected. All right, so here's what's on the chopping block. These are all Montana agates. Got 3 nice pieces of agatized wood, handful of jaspers, and a nice, respectable pile of Bear Canyon agates. So let us go outside and cut. We are set up, I think. We're gonna start with some Bear Canyons. Because why not? Kind of a dud. I'm gonna keep going until I get a good one. He's a good one. Might have to polish these. Man, these are gorgeous. Of course, the moment I go to get close-ups is the moment that the sun goes away. Cut through all of the Bear Canyons. I'll do before and afters on the other ones. It's just Bear Canyons are hard because sometimes you wind up with that, and sometimes you wind up with that somehow. So yeah, I just went ahead and cut all the good ones. So we got these right here. Not bad. Not anything to get too excited about, but still not bad. We got these ones, which are pretty nice. Good fortifications in there. Not bad. And then we got this one, which is probably the second best compared to that other one. Next, what next? Let's do this one. Crazy, super colorful jasper. I think this thing is going to be super nice. I don't know. Let's find out. Also wanted to demonstrate something really quick. I have to do this every single time. Sorry if I'm yelling. I have my earmuffs on. Actually, I should just take them off so I'm not screaming at you. Anyway, I have to do this every time. And I have to make sure I show it on camera because a lot of people express worry about my hands when I'm getting this close to a blade. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I'm literally just tickling this blade right now with my bare fingers. Yeah, you don't need to worry. I'll never cut myself on this thing. I run a higher risk of burning myself, but that's what the water's for. Specifically, it doesn't help with cutting at all. The water is only for not burning yourself while tickling a blade. I wish the sun would come back for a second. This thing is awesome. But of course, the moment I start recording, now it's overcast suddenly. I'll show you inside. Alright, let's do an agate next. I have a theory with this one, and I'm interested to see if I'm correct. Okay, my theory was totally wrong, but oh my gosh. Look at that agate. Wow. Now I'm wondering if I need a slab off of that. I think I might. Let's do a piece of wood next. I'm thinking it might be nice. Okay, the lighting is just killing me. Let's just go outside and look at these. So frustrating. It's been sunny and perfect, like all day. And then of course, the moment I start cutting, that's when the sun disappears. Where is that other piece of wood? I'll leave it outside. There it is. All right, check this out. That, okay, get a little closer, is beautiful. Love the red bands in there. So dark. And I guess while we're in here, I can show you this one now. That is stunning. Wow, that's so pretty. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way that one came out. And also, while we're inside, I can show you. Where is it? Should have replaced my water before I came in. Look at that agate. As soon as it focuses. That is amazing. Let's do this Jasper now. Oh, it's gonna be nice. Alright. That's freaking cool. Oh, wow. Alright, I'm happy. I think I'm gonna do this one now. This looks good and fairly irisy, so we'll see what we wind up with, I guess. All right, I stopped it right there. Not really a whole lot left of it. And I did that because I went inside and checked it, and yeah, that's absolutely 100% an iris agate. So I wanted to make sure I got as many slabs out of that one as possible. It's gonna be so nice. I think I'm gonna tumble all of them, but we'll polish one by hand, just so you guys can see how amazing these iris agates are gonna be. I think they're gonna be really nice. All right, the curiosity is getting the better of me. Let's cut this one. Do this one next. Nice little quartz pocket, nice bands all around it. Should be good. Definitely not what I was expecting. I still really like it though. Cool, cool. Man, I need, with all these slabs I've got laying around, I need to get an electroformer. Because these are just like tailor-made for that. You guys, this is crazy. I think for the first time ever, we're actually going to get through all of the rocks in one day. Actually, I should probably check my phone. I don't know what time it is. We might still not get through every egg in one day, but we're going to try. So I think this looks very promising. From an iris standpoint, from a pretty standpoint, that's just a cool agate. So yeah, let's cut it. Alright, got 2 slabs out of it, and it's looking very promising. Of course, again, my son has gone away. Okay, so there's 3 left, 2 of which I really want to get through today, so we're going to prioritize. They're also a really good example, so I can talk about them. So this one right here, where's my focus? There it is. Absolutely gorgeous agate. This is a prime example to talk about how to place cut placement. How to place cut placement. That's a weird sentence. Anyway, so with agates, generally, Montana agates anyway, you either want to identify the moss or the banding. If you're going for moss, like this one, you can just kind of cut however you really want. You don't need slabs, you're just trying to get in at that moss pocket for jewelry. But with these, the best way to do it is to come in perpendicular to the, or not perpendicular, the other thing, parallel to the banding. So if it's on that face right here, I'm gonna place all my cuts like this. And sometimes I just wanna cut a rock in half to see what's inside. Like, we'll use this for an example. I would not come in right in the middle like that. I would actually come offset on one side. That allows me more hold, so that I can get slabs off of the other half if I want to. Sometimes I don't want to. Sometimes I do. Alrighty, I got 2 heels off of that one and 2 slabs, and it looks fantastic. Okay, well, shockingly, I got through literally everything today. Well, almost everything. The only thing I didn't get through was this, and it is fractured to the point where my tile saw will never be able to cut this thing without it exploding. I will need a different saw for this specific piece of agatized wood. So other than that, we actually did get through everything. So let's go get everything rinsed off, look at it all, get close-ups, and I'm thinking we're gonna polish one of those iris agate slabs. Okay, we're back inside. Look at this full, amazing barrel of rainbow goodness. Oh man, there's so much stuff in here. It's actually really not a small container. We did a lot of cutting today. All right, well, I'm gonna get them all out and organized. Man, when you get everything laid out, that's a whole lot of pretty stuff. I'm fairly satisfied with what we have in front of us.
All right, so we are gonna go through and get close-ups on all the rocks.
But we have something to do first.
We are gonna polish this pair of Bear Canyon agates because they're very, very pretty. I think they're gonna get even better. And we are gonna polish one of these iris agate slabs because I think we are looking at some pretty right here.
Alrighty, I've done all the polishing that I feel like doing today, so let's look at rock.
If you look at this pile, you'll notice that it looks no different than before I started polishing.
These two would definitely be my favorite jaspers that we cut today. Sorry, I'm getting it wet. That'd be this one right here. But I mean, just looking on the outside, you already knew that was going to be good. Then you open it up. Yeah, that right there is stunning. Definitely making some cabs out of that one. Might make a cab out of one half and then tumble the other half. And then this was probably my favorite jasper of the day, just because I didn't know what to expect with it, and I am very pleased. So here it is on the outside. Really dark color. And then cut it open. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Love it. And I actually, just like I was saying earlier in the video, I offset that cut so that I can use this one for cabs, and I can actually either just polish this or come back and slab it more later if I want. So I love this agate. This is the one that I had a theory on that turned out to be completely not true. So I figured I'd explain what that theory is. If you see the outside of this one, you can see it's really opaque. Well, usually when I cut those ones, they turn into agates like this that are just like a little skin of agate, and then the rest is just quartz. It's usually what they look like. What I got was definitely not what I was expecting. What we got was fantastic bands. Look at that. And you know, see, after seeing that, I was obligated to get one slab off of it because it's just gorgeous. Definitely gonna polish that one. This one could be iris. Honestly, I'm not sure yet. Probably won't know until it tumbles, but that's so gorgeous. Love that yellow layer on the outside. It's so pretty. Nice and mossy, great color on the inside. And I have 4 more slabs of that one and this nice thick heel that I saved. So yeah, definitely gonna do something with that. And I don't have time today, but I'm definitely gonna polish this one at some point. Sorry, I'm turning my flashlight on. This agate right here is gonna be so nice. Look at that. And I saved the heel specifically so I can make cabs. Oh, that is so gorgeous. But my 2 favorite cuts of the day had to be, sorry, I'm trying to angle it correctly. There we go. Favorite 2 cuts of the day had to be this fantastic Bear Canyon, which we polished. Bam. That is gorgeous. I love that so very much. Took a really nice shine as well. Yeah, I love me some Bear Canyon agates. And favorite, here, let me zoom out a little bit. I'm showing you this before I show you the slab, just so you can know why I'm so excited. Got this little nub left. And then 1 slab broke, but other than that, we got a nice pile of complete slabs. And I'm so happy about it. So I mean, just by itself, that is a beautiful slab. That quartz pocket, beautiful bands, but it gets better. Check out that iris agate. Oh, that's something to get excited about. That has such nice color. Just beautiful. And again, why I'm so very excited. I mean, look at the quartz pocket. That's just gorgeous. And again, the reason I'm so excited is because I have a small little handful of more of that exact same rock, and they all have that same degree of wonderful rainbow color. And the surprising thing about this, it's going to get even better because I'm actually going to go back and thin it down more. That's actually really thick for an iris agate. That right there is exciting. Well, I would say that was a day well spent. I would call this right here success. Oh, it's so pretty. Alrighty, well, now that they're to this point, I'm gonna take my halves like this, and I'm actually gonna tumble these little ones right here, like this one also, and some of these agates. Those are gonna go straight in the tumbler, and all these slabs, I am actually gonna tumble these as well. I know I've talked about this many times in cutting videos over the years, but yeah, it goes way faster than polishing slabs individually by hand. Alright everyone, well, I think that's gonna do it for this one. I am so sorry that it took so long to do another cutting video, but yeah, the heat has been ridiculous, and I'm actually gonna talk about something too. There's a reason that I put it off for so long, and I finally just got tired of waiting. It's a little frustrating that I can only cut, like, this is pushing it. Anything bigger than this, I can't cut on my saw, and that sucks. And I do love going up to Montana Rock Moms to hang out and cut rocks, but I also feel, you know, imposing. Every time every 2 weeks when I'm like, hey, can I come up? It's like, she has a life and she's busy and she doesn't need me, you know, up there 24/7. So, I have this, which I've had for a while now, and I am trying to get it running. I've been waiting for months to get a blade in, like, just never got it. So I canceled the order and tried a different place, and then they were out of stock. So I'm still waiting on a blade. Then I have to get the stuff, you know, the pump and whatnot working and whatnot. But that being said, look at it. Look at it. This right here is why I was waiting to do a cutting video for so long, because my plan was that instead of cutting rocks, you know, this size on my next cutting video, the plan was to be cutting rocks this size, which it will come soon. It's taking longer than I expected, but we will have a way to slab large rocks here at the shop very, very soon. Let me know which cut was your favorite. I think the iris agate has to be my favorite today. That thing is amazing. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. We will actually be doing a few more lapidary videos very, very soon. Like 4 or 5 still in the works right now. I'm not gonna say anything specific, but I will say there might be some celestite, some fire agate, and some faceting, but a lot more. So that's just the tip of the iceberg. I'll have links to various stuffs up in the description, and yeah, I think that is gonna do it for this one. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you next time.